Hello. We are on the final lesson of chapter 11. That is 11.7, page 639 in your book. And these are all word problems, so that's why I'm kind of staying here because I got to read the word problems, then we'll work it out on the board. We're going to do all the problems of 2, 3, 4, and 5. Number 2, I feel, is the most applicable to this lesson because problem number 2 in your book is almost identical to your worksheet back side. Okay, so just know that when I'm working on problem number 2, you need to be soaking that in, and if you want to pause the video after problem number 2 and work on the back side of your worksheet, do it. Okay? On the back side of your worksheet, you only have to do problems 1 and 2 on the back. So let's start with this lesson, problem number 2. It says Arnie keeps his pet snake in an open top glass case. The outside of the cage is 73 centimeters long. Okay, and it is 60 centimeters wide and 38 high. 60 and 38. Cool. But then this is where everything changes. It says that the glass is 1/2 centimeter thick, and they want to know what the volume is of the cage. Okay, so we have to take 1/2 centimeter off of each part of the glass. So what we're going to do, we're going to draw that picture. 1/2 centimeter gets taken off here, and 1/2 centimeter gets taken off here. That means that this minus 0.5 minus 0.5, this new number is 72. Okay? Do the same thing with the 60. You have to take off 1/2 centimeter here and 1/2 centimeter here. So this new number will be 59. Now this, because it didn't have a lid and you can fill it all the way to the top, you do have to take off 1/2 centimeter for the bottom, but because it doesn't have a lid, you don't have to take off a full centimeter, it's only the 1/2. So this new number will be 37.5. Way confusing. I get it. I understand that the frustration is real, but it will help, okay? It will help you on the back of your worksheet on problems 1 and 2. And just think about it. I have to take off this side and I have to take off that side. Okay, so now you just multiply base times height times width. So 72 times 59, 18, 63, 64, 10, 35, 36, 8, 4, 2, and 4, and no decimals in this problem. And so now we have to multiply this huge number by 37.5. Honestly, I'm just going to get rid of this so it's not distracting. 37.5, 40, 24, 12, 21. That was almost a mistake. I'm done with this 5. Put a placeholder. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 4, 28, plus 3 is 33. Yeah. 7 times 2, 14, plus that is 17. 28, 29. Done with the 7. 2 placeholders. Get rid of my carries. 3 times 8 is 24. 12, 14, 6, 7, and 12. 0, 0, carry the 1. 3, 6, 10, 9, 13, 3, 12, 19, 5, 1. How many decimal places were in my problem? 1. Bring it over 1 time. Since it's a 0, you can just get rid of it. So my final answer is 159,300 centimeters cubed. And I looked in the book, and that is the right answer. So I had to check myself. All right. So again, if you want to pause and do 1 and 2 on your worksheet right now, on the back, you can totally do that. Number 3 in your book, a display number cube. Okay, we like cubes. All the lengths are the same size, same length. Measures 20 inches on one side. And the sides are numbered 1 through 6. Odd numbers are covered in blue fabric. Even numbers are covered in red fabric. How much red fabric is used? So are we filling it up, or are we covering the outside? This one we're covering the outside, so we need surface area. That means we need to make a net. And it said all of the sides were 20. So 20 by 20 is 400. 400 will be on all of them. But only odd or even numbers were covered in red. So you really only need like half of them done. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. And it said it was in inches. So 400 plus 400 plus 400 is 1,200 inches. And because we're not filling anything up, we're just finding the area of this, our label needs to be squared, not cubed. Okay. Number 4. The caps on the tops of the staircase posts are shaped like square pyramids. Okay, so if you're going up a staircase and the tops of these look like that, okay, the side length of the base is 4 inches, and we said that it was a square, so we know that all of those are 4 inches. And it says that the height of the face is 5 inches. And it says, what is the surface area for 2 posts? So the height of this is 5 inches. To find surface area, it's easiest if you draw a net. Okay, we know that all these are 4. 4. And we know that the height is 5. Okay, area of the base is base times height, which is 16, because it's a square, 4 times 4. And then we have to find the area of the triangle. To find the area of a triangle, it's base times height divided by 2. 4 times 5, 4 times 5 divided by 2. This is 20 divided by 2 equals 10. That gives me one of the areas, 10, 10, 10, and 10. Now you need to add up everything on that surface area. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 40, plus the surface area of the base, 56 inches. And because it's surface area, you make it squared, not cubed. So this is the area of one of them, but the story said that it wants it for 2 posts. So you have to times that by 2. 12, 11 inches squared for 2 posts. This is a hard lesson. We're making it through. It's okay. Last problem, number 5. The water irrigation tank is shaped like a cube. Yay, we like cubes because all the lengths are the same size. Length. The length of the cube is 2.5 feet. How many cubic feet of water are needed to completely fill the tank? And luckily for us, it didn't say that we had to like subtract some of the stuff like problem number 2. So, a cube, and it wants you to fill it up with water. So we're talking about volume, and it's 2.5. Yeah. 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. We can work with this. And I think it said feet. Yes. So, pause the video, see if you can figure it out before me. 2.5 times 2.5, 5, 2, 12, 50 with a placeholder, 5, 2, 6 with 2 decimal places, 6.25, and I have to multiply times that. 2, 12, 1, 31 with a placeholder. Get rid of my carries because they're confusing. 2 times 5 is 10, 5, and 12. 5, 2, 6, 5, 1 with 1, 2, 3. 15.625 feet cubed. Woohoo! We made it. Okay. So, now that we've done all of the book, you have to do all the front on your worksheet, and on the back, like I said, you only have to do problems 1 and 2. I wish you all the luck in the world. Be amazing. Have a great day. See you later.